Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to unpublish Facebook page. Unpublishing a Facebook page involves directing all the future visitors to a message stating that the page is currently unavailable. It's important to note that this action does not delete the page or remove its content. Unpublishing provides an alternative to deletion, allowing you to hide the page temporarily. Many users may not be aware that there's an option besides deleting a Facebook page when they wish to keep it concealed. The Unpublish a Facebook page feature serves this purpose, providing a temporary means of hiding a Facebook page. This guide to Facebook page unpublishing will comprehensively cover everything you need to know. Let's dive in. If you find yourself without access to a PC and need to unpublish a Facebook page, you can achieve this through the Facebook Business Suite app on your mobile device. Here's how to do it. From your main page, click on the three lines in the bottom or right of Facebook. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. To see more in the Account Center, tap Personal Details. Again, tap on it. Now, tap Account Ownership and Control, then tap Deactivation. You can choose the account that you want to deactivate. Then, tap Continue and follow the instructions to confirm. The primary distinction between unpublishing and deleting a Facebook page lies in its reversibility. While deleting a page is reversible, the decision to temporarily unpublish a Facebook page can be modified at any time. Unpublishing a page also empowers page managers to maintain control over their content without resorting to page deletion and the loss of all materials. It provides the option to unpublish and retain the content, effectively preventing the loss of the followers or potential customers who may be subscribed to the page. If you opt to unpublish your Facebook page, it's essential to understand that this action does not entail the deletion of your followers or post history. Instead, they remain hidden from public view until you decide to make them visible again. This difference in approach provides flexibility for those who wish to temporarily hide their page's content while maintaining the option to bring it back into the public eye when desired. Now that you know how to publish a Facebook page, it's important to emphasize the need to back up all essentials information and strategize how to preserve your online reputation if you decide to proceed with unpublishing your Facebook page. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.